All right, let's talk turkey here. I know my role. I'm no jabroni. I know I'm supposed to eat and get big, and then you're gonna eat me. But I'll tell you, I got a problem. I don't think you take all of my parts seriously. I don't think you respect them. Oh, everybody talks about the wings. Gotta have the wings, gotta have a party, gotta have the wings. And the thighs. How tender and moist they are. But the drummies, those are delicious. That's dark meat. That's good eating. Now maybe you don't like the little weird dingly-danglies that are on there, but you can do things about that. So today, I hope you gain an appreciation for the rest of my parts, the drumsticks. Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Well, you heard what the chicken said. We're doing drumsticks today. We are doing butterflied drumsticks with an Alabama white sauce. First thing we need to do is get that white sauce put together. It's one of the director's favorites, so I better not screw this up. So, in a bowl, you're going to mix 1 cup of mayo, which we love the Kewpie, so that's what we're using. Now, as I reel off these amounts, I'm pretty sure that they're right, but down in the description is all of the ingredients and their amounts and the instructions. To that mayo, we'll add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of your favorite hot sauce. We love this flavor Kano that we get from All Things Barbecue, atbbq.com. A tablespoon of honey, and if you spray your receptacle with some vegetable spray first, it'll come right out. Now watch it make me a liar. That's pretty good. About 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper and a teaspoon of prepared horseradish. Then we just mix it up. Give that a quick taste. Oh damn, that's good. Now I'm going to chuck this in the refrigerator and let it meld together. I'm about an hour out from cooking the chicken. Next you see us, we'll get the drumsticks butterflied. We have our sauce made. I am starting some rice over here. I love rice with this chicken. Now we need to get our drumsticks butterflied. And don't at all be intimidated by this. It's like the first time you spatchcock a chicken, you know, you're all intimidated and everything, and it turns out to be nothing really. Same with this. So we're gonna take our drumstick here and we're gonna cut it right along the bone. And then we're gonna spread that meat out and then cut it further away from the bone until we have this as flat as we can get it. You want a very sharp knife for this. It'll make your life a lot easier. So there we go. We got the first one done. Now I'm going to do the rest of them and then we're heading out to the grill. See you there. All right, so I lied to you. So I did get them all butterflied. We need to do one more thing. We want the flavor, right? So we're gonna add some rub to it. I'm using this Washington apple rub on them. Stockyard BBQ is the brand name. It's gonna be delicious. So we're gonna get some of this on all of these. Both sides. Just whatever your favorite chicken rub is. Now, you don't want to use something crazy like some coffee rub or something like that. That might not go with the Alabama white sauce, but this is fine. All right, really, for 12 drumsticks, that took me about 5 minutes to do, so crazy easy. All right, let's head out to the grill. My YS640 pellet grill is preheated to 400 degrees. Now we're going to cook these over direct heat until they hit an internal temperature of about 175. I'm going to start with them meat side down and make sure I get them spread out after we butterflied them so well. All right, then we're going to let them go 2 or 3 minutes per side. Keep flipping them till we hit that 175. That's what we're looking for. All right, the chicken is off the grill. It has been sitting for about 10 minutes. Now the final step. Take your chicken, dip it in your white sauce. Get good and covered. I'm serving this with salad and rice, but we'll let the director give this a try because she's freaking hungry. And we'll get a judgment. All right, did I achieve perfection?
Yes.
Do you have oral pleasures?
Great.
I've heard that before. Okay, there we go. Hey, so it was a success. Hey, if you enjoyed what you saw today, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, never miss an episode. Thank you so much for joining us. And I'm looking at this camera here, over here, Tammy. No, this one. No, this one. This one. Thank you so much. Fair winds and following seas.